Guys, you have 30 minutes. Treat the king of fruits with respect or you will regret it.
I got all my elements prepared so far. So now it's just going to be the quick boil of the pasta. Next step after this will be to start to build the lasagna. Making this lasagna is a little risky because I need to ensure that it gets in the oven with at least 20 minutes so that it can cook through and everything melts together nicely. So I've got to try and get this in as soon as possible.
Oh wow, where did the time fly by?
New plan, I'm going to make like curried prawns in brown butter sauce.
It's been a long time since I worked with flanked beef and I don't want to mess this one up. I know that I won't be going home even if I fail, but I want to win the best dish again. I want to keep up my winning streak. So I'm hoping to do that today.
I'm preparing to make my egg and durian floss. I've done this before. It comes out beautifully, like floss. To my horror, the moment I put this in, it sort of clumps up together. You know, I have to throw that out, and I'm going to prepare another batch right now. Let's try that again, shall we?
We set you a thorny challenge. You have 15 minutes to go. This is where it all comes together or it all falls apart.
Jen,
Hi.
you happy with the consistencies?
Yeah.
It looks like a little bit soft. Try a little bit in the hot oil first.
I pop it in and it just went. Oh no, my durian polenta balls is not turning out great. It was just a big mess in the boiling oil.
You don't have a lot of time and you need to fry your balls now.
Yes. I have 15 minutes left. You know, I need to come up with something fast.
Try a little bit in the hot oil first.
I pop it in and it just went. Oh no, my polenta balls is not turning out great. It was just a big mess in the boiling oil.
You don't have a lot of time and you need to fry your balls now.
Yes. I have 15 minutes left. No way to make a new batch. No way to thicken it with more polenta because you need to cook it out. So I'm thinking, okay, what's a binder? And I thought of plain flour. I ran into the pantry and I just grab it and put handfuls of flour in and try out the batch. And thank goodness, and it worked. And I'm like,
It's in the oven now, so I've got to leave it up to the oven gods. As the lasagna is cooking, I'm down to 10 minutes. I can see that the top is still looking a little pale. So, thinking out of the box, I get 2 blow torches and I just toast it off, finish it. You know what? It actually looks pretty good.
Guys, you've got 5 minutes to go. Can you turn those durian haters into durian lovers? Come on, guys.
Cool. This floss is not working. There really isn't time for plan B, so I have to run with what I have. I'm thinking, at least I hope it tastes good. And that's when I tried it. That entire durian paste was so salty. That is a big problem.
Finishing touches, crown your durian as king.
All right, guys, down to the last 10 seconds. Make sure you're plating up now. Come on, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done, well done. When we revealed the challenge that you had to cook a savory durian dish, all your jaws dropped. 3 of you make dishes we can't wait to taste. 1 of you will win an advantage in the upcoming challenge that will make you the envy of everyone else.
The first dish we would like to taste was created by Shamsida.
Whoop, whoop. I'm so excited to be called first because I really want to win this best dish for a durian challenge.
Please, tell us what you created for us here.
This is Lakshmana Doremi. So I have a sauce of lemak cili padi. On top, there is some durian fritters, curried prawns,
Right.
as well as pickled buah salak.
Pickled buah salak.
Yes.
One of my favorite fruits, you know? Salak. Now let's taste it, yeah?
Can you see my heart smiling? This is what happens when the king of fruits meets the queen of samba. It's a royal celebration.
Thank you so much, sir.
You make me such a happy man. Thank you.
My expectations are very high right now. What I love about you is you're very consistent.
Yes, sir.
And again, I can see your personality shine bright with this plate right in front of me here. What's it gonna be? I want to take these fritters and I want to sleep on it tonight. That's what I want to do. It's that soft, it's that spongy. I have absolutely no complaints about this dish. Good on you.
Thank you. I'm really glad that I made the judges proud today because I can't possibly disappoint them with a durian challenge.
The next dish we would like to taste is from Xander.
Sander, what did you make for us today?
Today I made a spring vegetable lasagna with durian. And if you want to add a little bit more durian flavor, I've amped up a bit of the sauce for you on the side.
Okay. Whoa. Ooh. Looks good, man.
If I got served layers like this.
Yeah.
This is one of the tastiest lasagna I've ever had. You went big, and it paid off. Boys, all yours.
Fantastic layers. Such clean lines. Vegetables are not mushy. Again, love the fact that you've gone with that color scheme. Everything just looks so pure. Like angels made this.
That's how I felt.
What you've done makes a lot of sense because durian has that funkiness much like blue cheese. So if I was just to think blue cheese lasagna, this is it. I don't know if I love it, but it's definitely very good. I love the idea, and I'm extremely intrigued.
Thank you, Xander.
Thank you.
Thanks, Sander.
I haven't tried it.
The last dish we would like to taste is yours, Jen.
The other two contestants before me had great comments. How do I beat that? Hi guys. But I'm really hoping that the judges will like my dish.
So you call this a croquembouche
A
earlier.
mini one. Again, inspiration from there. So usually they use choux pastry. Today, I've used polenta balls stuffed with durian inside. And the spun sugar would be the cheese. And a bit of crunch from the bacon. And tomato puree to just like pull everything together.
Ooh, I see a nice core of durian right there. Here goes. Whoa! G-E-N. I-U-S. Genius.
Thank you.
Wow. It hit me on every single point inside my head. I'm picking my brains off the floor right now because my mind just got blown. There's sweet, there's savory, there's crispy, there's soft. I don't think there's any flavor sensation that does not live in there right now. I love it.
Thank you.
You come work for me. Best durian savory dish ever.
Chef Damian. Hearing Chef Damian saying that it's just such an affirmation, and you know that doubtful feeling, it just vanished away. And I was just so honored and so happy to hear it coming from his mouth especially.